But you should never underestimate me.
Watch me, oh, watch me, oh, watch me do my thing. Watch me, oh, watch me, oh, watch me do my thing. Watch me, oh, watch me do my thing. Watch me do my thing.
I'm at the promenade. This unit belongs to a family that is very important to me. Like, as far as it goes, top tier important to me. And I have wanted to win for them so badly. So it's important for me that I get this job done, and I get it done very well to the best of my ability, but I also need to knock this out of the park past my ability. And I'm about to do that. Everybody told me, and I mean everybody, that I was not gonna be able to sell this unit for the price. But I knew if I worked hard and I put in extra effort and I kept going and I didn't stop and I tried my best, that I could. See, a lot of times agents say things won't sell at a certain price, but what they're really saying is it's not gonna sell at that price with the average amount of work. Meaning, if you're willing to do an open house every weekend, you're willing to go out of your way, call every top producer in the area, send out flyers, invite, you just have to do extra more and more. If you're willing though to invest that extra time, you'd be surprised what dollars get pulled out over a couple extra weeks or a couple extra months. Now, sometimes it's not worth it. You have to look at the mortgage and the carry cost of a property. You may not make enough trying to ask for more to make sense to hold on. And if the balance is great enough, taking time and putting more time in to get your seller top dollar sometimes really wins. And I'm about to prove that on a level that people, I don't think are gonna expect. And I'm very lucky to get this done. I get it. I can't wait to go tell the sellers right now. We just broke a price per square foot record for this building by $250. And that is significant because the price I just sold this for per square footage is about 4 times what houses per square foot are selling for. It's gonna be a good day.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. You don't sleep enough, like the city that you love. In a pair of neon signs, swinging outlets, sitting on cloud nine. It's a stone cold sober supernova, baby, you're reckless optimist like me. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.
Really? Are we hailing? Really? In April. Okay, not my typical day. Number 1, it's hailing out. Number 2, we're going to a hard hat tour. Woo! I got a client in town from Seattle, and him and his girlfriend are here to see the penthouse at Lionsgate here. It's called Park West, and it is creme de la creme. I can't wait. We're going up there tonight. It's a penthouse, 1802. We've got 2,467 square feet.
Watch you way true before. You know that it suits me more.
Say hello to the his and hers bathroom. This penthouse. Oh my god. This one's huge. And then we've got his and her closets.
But you should never underestimate me.